Hey Jim, how you doing? I threw together a little video here. My wife Nikki helped me. She shot a little video with my iPhone as the copter was flying by, and I flew the copter. In this video, what we're doing is making some passes where I'm holding heading. I've got it in a mode where it'll hold heading, but you can point the copter in any direction you want. As you go by, you can point it right at your subject and keep them right in the frame, even though the copter is still going straight ahead. So I made a couple passes here so you can see how it works. Hope you enjoy it. Well, Jim, I hope that video didn't bore you too much. This copter has got a whole bunch of different modes. You could you could find something on the ground, a tree or a cathedral somewhere, and park this thing right over the top of it and have it fly circles around the thing, and it would stay right in the center of the frame. It's all automatic. It's got a great autopilot. It's got 10 or 15 different modes. So this was just one of them. Anyway, it's a lot of fun, and if you decide to get one, I think you'll like it. Okay, we'll see you later.